to another Daishinfinity video. In this video, we're going to prove the geometric series, and the geometric series is shown as the sum as k goes from 0 to n of x to the kth power, that is equal to 1 minus x to the n plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. Now this is the general version for the geometric series. The normal version for the geometric series is 1 over 1 minus x, for the absolute value of x being smaller or equal to 1. I think it was like that. So let's prove this formula at first. It's a very easy proof, so let's just dive right in. The the finite sum where I goes from 0, I'll just take I to n of xi is just equal to, let's say, x to the 0, which is 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the 4, and so on forever until x to the n power. Now let me erase the summation because I'm going to do something interesting. Now I want to make a fraction by multiplying the whole complex, this mathematical description by another thing, and this thing should be the same on the top and the bottom because we want to keep everything the same. So we're going to just multiply everything by 1. Now what can we multiply so that the term 1 until x to the n will cancel each other out somehow? Well, to cancel each other out, we need some plus and minuses. So we need a plus number and a minus number. And the best way to do it is just to take the 1, okay? When we multiply 1, it will be the same as like you see over here. But if we would minus 1, then we would subtract everything and it will be 0, but we are not allowed to subtract by 0. So let's take the second term of the geometric series, which is just going to be x. So let's just write x over here, and let's just write x over here. The x will increase the power of x just by 1. Now let's see what will happen. The thing that will happen is very interesting. So we have the geometric series because we're going to multiply this whole thing by the whole geometric series. So we have the geometric series of x to the k, okay, where k goes from 0 to n, minus x squared minus x cubed minus x4 minus ... until minus x to the n, to n plus 1. That's the most important thing, because we're not doing n plus only n, because we have multiplied x with x to the n, so it will be n plus 1. Now the geometric series goes on like this. We have 1 plus x squared plus x to the cube plus x to the 4th. So all the x and the x cubed and the x to the 3rd and the x to the 4th will cancel out with the whole summation except for 1. The reason why is because the 1 does not exist here, since we all multiplied the whole geometric series with x. So this whole thing will cancel out until x to the n. So everything that is surviving here is going to be 1, okay? Will be 1 plus, I think it's plus, minus, because we have multiplied everything by minus x to the n plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. So let's write it again. It will be 1 minus x to the n plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. So now we have proven the formula. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and recommend sharing this video with other friends who are also math people. Well, see you in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya.